Welcome back to Styles on Top Beauty. Please be sure to like and subscribe to the Believe in Beauty One channel. If you like this content, we'll be bringing more information and more how-tos on the 60-second clip and go hair topper units. Today we're going to be reviewing, or I'll be giving you just a little bit of information on the blue hair topper unit. All hair units on this channel can be found at www.stylesontopbeauty.com. Today we're going to talk more about blue, and we'll talk more about blue because in the last few months she has become one of the more popular hair units in the 60-second clip and go collection. So blue comes in one standard size. So the standard size is a 7-inch by 6-inch, but you'll see here I have two hair units here and they are in two different sizes. One measures the standard, which is 7 by 6-inch, and the other is a 7.5 by 7-inch. And the difference is, of course, the size. If you have a larger head or if you need more coverage, the 7.5 by 7 would probably be the best option for you. So in this unit, I'm just doing a quick demo of the blue hair unit. You'll see that blue is similar to a bob type style. The hair used is a loose, deep, wavy texture, and it's a really cute unit. It's very versatile. It gives a lot of coverage and a lot of texture to any hairstyle. I would say a good fit for blue would be anyone who is looking to have added coverage around the sides and the back. And if you're a person who likes bangs, and if you like hair with more volume, then blue is a good option for you because it gives you that coverage. As you can see, it comes down beyond the ears. It extends down in the back. You'll see the base starts here, where I'm showing you here. That's where the clips are, so that's where it would attach to your hair, but then it comes down longer so that you'll have more coverage in the back of the head. And you'll see the texture here. It's a wavy texture. You can always use styling products to give the waves more definition. I like to tell ladies that you can add mousse, or you can use your favorite foam wrap, or even just water if you want to spray, lightly mist the hair with water to give it more definition. And along the sides here, you can see where the base of the unit would attach to your head, around the sides and all the way around the back. This is the standard size unit. The standard unit is perfect for people who have the average size head, which an average head size is about 21 to 22 inches in circumference. And the standard 7 by 6 is perfect for someone with that head size. So the thing I discovered accidentally about blue is that because there's extra length, this also doubles as a cute little topper in the front, where you'll have your bang, and then you can have some little wispy sides. And I just pull the hair up just to see how the unit would look if it was swept up, and it looks pretty cute. So in addition to wearing this unit, if you have tapered sides and back, you can also, if you have longer hair in the back, you can also sweep that hair up into the bun, clip blue on top, sweep your hair up around the sides and the back, and have a quick, cute little updo. So that was an accidental discovery with blue, but I just love the messy bun type styles, and I think that this would be a great addition if you wear your hair that way. So this is the blue hair unit. Just wanted to give you more information about blue. She's on the website www.stylesontopbeauty.com. If you like this video, like and subscribe to Believe in Beauty. Talk to you next time.